Contents. Introduction to what is the social media. 3. Different types of social media. 5. How can social media benefit your business? 7. Conclusion. Introduction. Do you want your operate your own website or online business with the rising popularity for the internet? There is a good chance that you do. Whichever type of website you have, did you know that you could help to promote it with social media? I am sure many of you have heard of different social media sites like Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, MySpace, LinkedIn, Blogger, WordPress, and others. With a fairly larger number of such social media websites having over a million users, there is a good chance that by joining these sites, you not only make a new friend but also find internet users that would be interested in visiting your website. Therefore, by joining their social media site and then providing a link to your website in this site, you should receive a number of new visitors to your website. If you have totally no experience with the social media, or if you are still wondering how and why you should use social media to promote your website, then you may want to continue reading to find out more about the power of social media and how you can benefit from it. What is social media? Within the one set of many online business opportunities which offer a change for people to enjoy earning a living from the comfort of their own homes, more and more have come curious about what the social media really is about and how it can help their online business career. First and foremost, social media can mean two things. For one, it can be a lot tool that used for people to communicating and share certain things with their friends and loved ones. And it can be used as an internet marketing strategy that takes advantage of the influencer of social networking site like Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, MySpace, and many more. When you get started with the online business which is operated through your one web page, one of the things that you will need to attain the order to succeed is to drive to huge volume of traffic to it on a regular basis. Internet traffic simple means in the number of people visiting your website portal, and one of the best way to do that through the use of social media marketing. One example of taking advantage of a social networking site to promote your website is by placing a link to it direct on your Facebook account to be seen by others. Thus, if you are already done that, then you have already taken advantage of social media marketing. One of the reasons why successful online marketers make use of social media to promote their online business is the fact that such websites are highly visited by millions of people on the regular basis. With Facebook alone, it actually has over 500 million registered users in the global scale. Thus, there is no question that a certain percentage of it belongs to your target market. Going back to get that example, you are actually just taking advantage of one site. Therefore, if you want the number of others powerful social media site mentioned on top, then you may be able to have thousands of people visit your site on a daily basis. Social media is indeed one of the most powerful online marketing strategy that you can make use of in order to gain more traffic to your site. However, you need to keep the mind that result from it may take time to get realized. This is because you will still have to build your reputation so that more and more people would follow your website. Always remember through that thousands of webmasters are able to gain success from it, and since they can, should be able to derive the benefit from it as well. To get started, it is best to know the types of social media marketing first. Aside from that, do not forget that most of websites were not initially created for business purpose, but as a way to bridge gaps between people who are located from each others. Thus, you need to build a relationship with first, as well as certain question for interested individual from time to time. Different type of social media. If you are about to jumpstart your online business career with the creation of your one website, you should know that there are many online marketing strategies that you need to make use of in order to gain success in it. One of which is social media marketing. On one of the things that you need to do to take advantage of it is it is different types. In generally, there are two different type of social media, namely off-site and on-site. By knowing the different type of social media marketing, you will be able to know the proper step that you need to take in the taking advantage of this online marketing technique. Aside from that, you will also understand better why such steps are taken for the benefit of your one website. Offsite social media marketing is simple, means the use of the other website, particular social networking sites, in order to drive more traffic to your one website. Such websites should be the like for of YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn, MySpace, among others. Since these websites are being used by thousands, if not million of users worldwide, they are great to take advantage of the drive more traffic to your site. Driving traffic to your site is actually one of the most important things that you need to achieve in order to gain more profit from the product or service that you offer through it. With more people visiting your site, you will have more opportunities for of exposing your product and increase the change of gaining profit from it. Keep in mind that there are certain steps that you need to take in order to take full advantage of such website. As said, for setting up account popular in each of the website you will make use of, you also need to come up with always in order to have more people follow your post and the link that you would be placing on your account, which lead to main site that you are conducting your online business on. The second type of social media marketing, as mentioned on top, is one site. Although you can already possible gain more volume of traffic through your off-site social media marketing effort, you need to make sure of on-site solution in order to make sure that people stay long enough in your one website to check out that you have to offer to them. This would mean that you have to improve the kind of content of for your site, make use a certain technique to gain your one brand identify, drive organizing traffic from search engine and such. In a nutshell, there are two types of social media marketing work hand in hand, gaining your more profit in your business. Thus, it is best that you make use of them both so that you will be able to attain the success that you have been longing for. How can social media benefit your business? Social media marketing is one of the top most online marketing strategies that internet marketers and even local companies make use of today. This is because social media websites are being participated by millions of people globally today. In other words, whatever kind of niche you are involved with, you can be assured that a percentage of your target market is involved in this social networking site. Thus, most likely, a lot of people who you consider to be your potential customer are frequenting this social networking site on a regular basis. And if you are able to get in contact with most of them, then you will have to change of boosting your profit to be high level. If you are able to play your cards right, one of the benefits that your online business can drive for social media is exposure. In a, in other words, if you are operating your online business through your one website, you can take advantage of social media marketing in order to gain huge volume of traffic to website it. The more volume to target website traffic you can drive from websites like YouTube, Facebook, MySpace and such, the more potential you have in increasing the number of sales for the product that you have on your website page. You need to keep the mind of the people who register to the social networking site or those who want to get touch and catch up with their friends and family. Aside from that, some also register with the hope of meeting social someone who has been inside all these years. As before you introduce your business to them, you will need to build a relationship first in order to gain their trust. Aside from that, you should also build your reputation by getting involved with a certain discussion and share important views about it, or by sharing certain contact found on your site, which may help to people who belong to your target market. By going that people you consistently contact with through in the social media profile will soon anticipate more from them, and that is the proper time that you introduce your business to them. Aside from in driving traffic your site, once you have established your online business to your pair on social networking site, another benefit you can drive for it is to acquire honest feedback about it product or service that you are currently offering. This way you will be able to drive certain strategy or modification in order to improve your business. Since the feedback you are receiving are provided by people who belong to your target market, you will be able to determine the proper step to gain more success in your business. This is just some of benefit your business can drive from social media. Keep in mind that by getting involved with the social networking site, it will also help you identify the need of people within your target market. Thus, it will help you not just in modify your current product but also possible develop another product. These people be really appreciated and supported. Conclusions. In conclusion, you should now have a clear picture of the social media is, what it can do and how it can benefit you. As mentioned above, there are a number of different ways that you can use social media to promote your website. By remembering the above mentioned in point and tips, you can definitely benefit for using social media to promote your website. Therefore, start searching for social media site you can use to promote your website or online business today and start using them. Soon you will be able to see an increasing in the number of visitors to your website and drive benefits such as more sales and money from the ad traffic.